It's Christina with Tinagirl Travels, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what your kids can expect at Adventure Ocean. Our kids loved cruising and still have friends from all over the world that they met on a cruise ship. It's all included in your fare, but be sure to register on the first day. Adventure Ocean Open House on the Voyager of the Seas started at 1 p.m. until 4 p.m. on our sailing date in July of 2022. You'll find it on Deck 12 at the back of the ship, right near the gym and the spa. Care for your babies and tots is not free. It's a daycare, but it's actually really quite affordable. There's a charge of $6 per hour per child from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and that goes up to $8 an hour from 6 p.m. to midnight. And another interesting thing is that you can actually order organic baby food, diapers, wipes, creams delivered right to your stateroom when you arrive. They also have a program called the Toy Lending Program where you can borrow and exchange toys during your trip. I'll add a link to more information below in the description. Moving on to those 3 to 5-year-olds, this is their area. The staff that take care of your kids all have a 4-year university degree or international equivalent in education, recreation, or a related field. Not only that, but all staff must also have at least 3 to 5 years qualified experience in working with kids ages 6 months to 17 years, so your kids are in good hands. After the 3 to 5-year-olds, we have the 6 to 8-year-olds and then the 9 to 11s. These kids will all enjoy supervised activities. Once you turn 12, you're part of the teen program, hanging out with 12 to 14-year-olds, and then the final group is 15 to 17-year-olds. There are plenty of staff-hosted activities for them to get involved with, but teens aged 12 to 17 can come and go as they please, and they can also join many of the adult activities on the ship. Junior cruisers do have a ship-wide curfew of 1 a.m. The teens have all kinds of great activities they can get involved in, from just lounging in the teens' chill lounge to air hockey tournaments, arts and crafts, to special teen dinners in the Windjammer. The arcade games I'm showing you here are not free. You need to buy credits with your Sea Pass to play these. Heading outside, I'll show you all the fun stuff to do on the upper back deck. The pools do have lifeguards to watch over the swimmers, and the pools are open from about 7 a.m. On the Voyager of the Seas, you can learn to ride the wave on the Flow Rider. The staff here are amazing at teaching people to master this thing. It opens pretty early at 9 a.m. for advanced stand-up surfing. At 10 a.m. you can try your skills at boogie boarding, and between 2 and 5 you can give mixed waveboarding a try. Behind the Flow Rider is the water slide, and you'll also find mini golf where you can play with your family or friends. There are also all kinds of deck games like a beanbag toss and shuffleboard, and a court to play things like basketball, hockey, and of course there's the rock climbing wall. As you can see, there's no shortage of things for kids and teens to do on board the Voyager of the Seas. Speaking from experience, our kids had the time of their lives sailing with us on different ships. Not to mention the amazing ports that your kids will enjoy exploring with you. I hope you enjoyed my video on Adventure Ocean. If it helped you out today, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I have lots of great videos coming up. Also, let me know where you're watching from in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I will see you next time.